Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to set up auto reply on Instagram comment. So to do that, you just have to open your web browser and go to ManyChat website. And then here, you just have to click on the get started and then make sure to select Instagram. You just have to continue with Google or continue with your Facebook. And then when you select Facebook, make sure you have logged in to your Facebook account using the same web browser, and then just click on continue with this account and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Right here, just have to simply click on the automation option. Okay, so when you do that, you'd be able to see this section. Now click on the add new automation and you'll be able to see here your ready to go templates that you can use. So I'm just going to start from scratch. Okay, and then right here, the first thing that we should do is to add a trigger. So a trigger is an event that starts your automation. So we have to select right here user comments on your post or reel, and then just have to select which post or reel do you want to use in automation. So this is for step one. Step two, so what will be your DM automation? So we are going to type it right here, specific keywords that a user will comment on your post and it will trigger your automation. Like for example, someone will comment hi, question mark, or how, so it will trigger the automation. So for the stacks right here, you can also select any comments. So for the step number three, would you like to set up a public reply in the feed? So we have here a default reply randomly. So if you want to add a new one, just click on the new reply option and click on save. Now for our first step, we are going to select Instagram, and then here what would be the message will be sent to that user. Okay, so like for example, we are going to type out our welcome message or our greeting message, and then we are going to provide them the series of instructions that they need in order for them to get the promo or the voucher, whatever kind of promotion you have on your Instagram. So after that, you can also click on the plus icon right here, and then you can click on the Instagram option, and then you can proceed to the next step. You can add actions. We also have different features, but in order for us to access those features, we have to subscribe to a plan here on ManyChat. Okay, so we have our second step. So for example, we have a follow-up message. So after setting up all of your messages or all of the relevant details for your automation, you can actually preview this one and then you can click on set live. So in order for you to set this live, take note that you have to subscribe to a plan as well. Okay.
So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.